I'm a sweaty mess because we've been working on this piece of shit that we bought in a trailer park on the second day of the power tour because the Camaro didn't make it. So we came up with plan F, as in plan what the fuck. May I present to you all a 1991 Chevy 1500 long bed. V6, automatic, two-wheel drive. Already did a single tire peel out, which was kind of fun. We're gonna beat the shit out of this thing. Give you a nice little view. Trying to get the, so you can get the whole picture. It's a piece of shit. Some weight reduction here. Like that. That's nice. A little rust. Yeah, it's a piece of shit. This is going to be awesome. I will say this. It drives actually pretty nice. Needs a motor mount. Aside from that, it's pretty sweet. I'm liking it. So, I wish I could... I don't know how to work this thing. Here we go. Here's Jose. Bought it out of a trailer park a few hours ago. Having some beers. The window already dropped down on us. Window's off the hinges, so we spent a little bit of time trying to fix that. If you can see, beautiful seat covers. Where we going? There we go. Bought those today because the seats, I needed a tetanus shot just sitting in them. But all in all, it's driving. We're taking this on the Hot Rod Power Tour. Who knows? Maybe we get crazy and we swap it with somebody. Who knows? I doubt that will happen. I doubt we'll be that privileged to swap. But if we can swap this, I'm not opposed to it. Who cares, man? Like, this is hilarious. Went out and bought a truck because I didn't have my car. And it's a heat. There's Jose. He killed some cones.
Yep.
He was on the autocross track a couple times today. But this is, I'll do a little bit more in-depth description of it tomorrow when it's a little bit more light out.
A 91 like your car.
Yeah, maybe I'll have Jose, hold the camera so we can point out the special components like the exhaust leak that's going on because of the motor mount. It's only got one bolt holding the collector. So it's going to work out great. It's going to work out great. We're going to take this thing to the rest down to Tulsa and back home to Boston. So, till next time, guys, be safe.